In the heart of London's bustling urban landscape, a remarkable fusion of modern transportation and green spaces has emerged, epitomised by the rooftop gardens atop the Crossrail stations. These gardens represent a visionary integration of nature and infrastructure, offering city dwellers and visitors alike a unique escape from the concrete jungle below. This initiative is part of the broader Crossrail project, known as the Elizabeth Line, which officially opened its doors to the public in 2022, revolutionising travel across the city with a new east-west railway line.